Wow. So I've worked a lot with the Army, especially the Signal Corps. I worked as a contractor with them. Actually, when I was in the Air Force, we worked very closely with the Army. Super, super sharp T guys in there, super sharp cybersecurity guys, regardless of what the Air Force says about the Army. Some of the sharpest, actually, many of my mentors were from the Army, actually, and many of the smartest people, human beings I've ever met were in the Army.
And I got to say, I just remember I was building a building in Afghanistan for one of our battalions, and the Air Force guys came in. The Air Force contractors, not contractors. I'm sorry. The Air Force guys were coming in to install comms into the building, and they said, "Hey, we need a map of where to put the drops at." And I just quickly fired up PowerPoint, and I just did whatever I could to support what their request. And the guy came out and he said, "Sir, this is not NIST standard. This is not."
Freaking Air Force, man. Oh my God. But yeah, man, Army gets shit done, man. That's one thing I would say about they would get stuff done. They weren't playing around. Like when I was in the Air Force, they were like, look, we need this network. We used anything we could to make that thing work, and we got it done. So that's one thing I've always respected about the Army.